Hello guys, I'll teach you a very fast way to remember your basic trigonometric ratios for angles that can be expressed in such forms. So you get a table, draw a table like this, or just a basic table. The label as theta. We have for 0 degrees, for 30 degrees, 45 degrees, then we have 60 degrees, and for 90 degrees. I want to calculate my sine theta, or cos theta, and tan theta. Simple. First thing you need to do, in the sine theta row, write out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy. Then divide these figures by 4. 0 divided by 4 is 0. 1 all over 4 is 1 over 4. 2 over 4 is 1 all over 2. 3 over 4 is 3 over 4. 4 over 4 equals to 1. Then find the square root of these answers. So the square root of 0 equals to 0. The square root of 1 over 4 equals to 1 whole over 2. The square root of 1 over 2 equals to 1 over root 2. Square root of 3 over 4 equals to square root of 3 all over 2. And the square root of 1 is, the square root of 1 is equals to 1. And these are your values for the value of sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 over 2, sine 45 is 1 over root 2, sine 60 is 3 over 2, and sine 90 degrees is 1. How do we fill in the cos theta? Just simply write these values in the reverse order. That means you start from the back and begin to fill from 0. Cos 90, sine 90 is equals to cos 0. So we write the value of this here. That's 1. Here, that's root 3 over 2. Then we 1 over root 2. 1 over 2. Then here we have 0. That's the value of cos theta. Don't forget that tan theta equals to sine theta all over cos theta. So by dividing these two values, 0 over 1 is 0. 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2 is 1 over root 3. Then here we have 1. This one will be root 3. And 1 divided by 0 is undefined, or we can write as infinity.